Hello students, so today we will be doing question number 7 here, which I have explained a little bit in the class also. So here we have been given ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, and this BD and AC are the diagonals which are meeting at O. What we have to prove is ABCD is a rectangle. As I have said, to prove a rectangle, one of the angle has to be 90 degree. So now we were taking triangle OAB and OCD. Okay, we'll be proving them congruent in triangle OAB and triangle OCD. So what are equal here? OA and OC are equal. OA and OC are equal. OB and OD also are equal. The reason is they are radii of same circle. Then what else is equal? These angles, they are vertically opposite angle. That is angle AOB is equal to angle COD, vertically opposite angles. So therefore triangle OAB is congruent to triangle OCD by side angle side. So which implies we can take AB is equal to CD, right? So see, if AB is equal to CD, we can take this arc AB. Arc AB is equal to arc CD. We can take this as equation 1. So similarly we can prove that AD is equal to BC also, right? So if AD is equal to BC, again we can write that arc AD is equal to arc BC. Arc AD is equal to arc BC. Okay, so that will be equation 2. Now if we add equation 1 and equation 2, we get arc AB plus arc AD. You can look at the figure. When we add, what we're getting, then here arc CD plus arc BC. So arc AB plus AD is this arc, right? And that is, we can write arc BAD, right? And here arc BCD. So what does it happen? See, that means BD, or the otherwise also we can write. Therefore BD divides the circle into two equal parts. And what are the equal parts? As I told in the class, that is semicircle, right? Semicircle. And what did I tell? Angle in a semicircle is a right angle, right? So therefore angle A will be equal to angle C, which is equal to 90 degree. The reason is angle in a semicircle is always right angle. Okay, so similarly we can show that angle B also will be equal to angle D, isn't it, which is equal to 90 degrees. So therefore angle A, B, C and D are 90 degree. So obviously, hence ABCD is a rectangle. Okay, let's do the next question. So here question number 8 is, if the non-parallel sides of a trapezium, so this is a trapezium, these two are the non-parallel sides, these two are the parallel sides. Okay, so if the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, so if they are equal, then we have to prove that this is a cyclic. So if we have to prove that it is cyclic, so we have to prove that the sum of the opposite angles is 180 degree, as I have told in the class also. That is a property of cyclic quadrilateral, right? So now here what we have to prove, we have to prove that ABCD is trapezium is a cyclic. Okay, now there is a construction which I have already drawn. So what we have constructed, that draw BE BE is parallel to AB. Okay, AD, sorry, AD. B is parallel to AD. Now in the proof, if we have been given it is a trapezium, so obviously AB is parallel to DE, and then AD is parallel to BE by construction, right? We have written just now, so by construction it is parallel. Then therefore ABED is a parallelogram. I'm writing in shortcut parallelogram. Then therefore angle BAD, this angle BAD will be equal to angle BED. I hope you know the reason. What is the reason? Opposite sides of parallelogram, opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal, right? Okay, then AD is equal to BE because they are the opposite sides of a parallelogram. We know that, right? Opposite sides of a parallelogram. Okay, then, but what we have been given, we have been given that if the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, that is AD is equal, if AD is equal to BC, they have given this condition, then let us keep this as equation 3, this as equation 2, then from 2 and from equation 2 and 3, what we can see, AD is equal to BE, AD is equal to BC, so we have got BE is equal to BC. We can write that, isn't it? That means what? If BE is equal to BC, we have learned so many times, which implies angle BEC will be equal to angle BCE. The base angles will be equal. The reason you can write as angles opposite to equal sides. Angles opposite to equal sides. Then, now, therefore, angle BEC plus angle BED is equal to, say, BEC and BED, linear pair, right? 180 degree. They are linear pair. Then we have got that BEC is equal to BCE, right? So can we write like that? Yes. So BCE plus angle BED was equal to BAD. So can we write that again? Yes, BAD. So which is equal to 180 degree. Now see, BCE, this angle, and BAD, they are the opposite angles, right? So therefore trapezium ABCD is cyclic, because the reason is, you can write that in the here, in since the a pair of opposite side opposite angles, sorry, angles of a quadrilateral is 180, so it is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay,